Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone setting. So let me do that. And then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list. And then you need to search for your browser. So I'm in my Chrome, and here you need to clear storage and cache. And the first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and open your browser and search here openai.com. Here you need to search, here you need to open ChatGPT. Scroll down, click on try ChatGPT. So here you can see that I already log in into my account. Then you need to enter your query. So I'm going to search here write me essay about my teacher. Click on that, and here you can see that it is now working fine. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.